Pan-seared salmon with lemon butter sauce and asparagus inspired by Chef Gordon Ramsay. Ingredients: serves to 2 salmon fillets, skin on, about 200 grams each, salt and freshly ground black pepper 2 tablespoons, olive oil 1 clove, garlic minced 1 tablespoon, capers optional, juice of 1 lemon 2 tablespoons, cold unsalted. Butter: a small bunch of fresh parsley, chopped to oog, fresh asparagus, salt. Method of preparation: 1. Prepare the salmon. Start by patting the salmon fillets dry with paper towels. This crucial step ensures a crispy skin. Season both sides generously with salt and black pepper, allowing the flavors to penetrate the fish. 2. Sear the salmon. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Add the olive oil and wait for it to shimmer. Gently place the salmon fillet skin side down in the hot pan. Here is a pro tip: press down on the fillets with a spatula to keep the skin flat and crisp. Let them sizzle for 4–5 minutes until the skin turns golden and crispy. Flip the fillets and cook for another 2–3 minutes until just cooked through. Remove from the pan and set aside to rest. 3. Make the lemon butter sauce. In the same pan, reduce the heat to medium. Add the minced garlic and capers if using to the residual oil. For 30 seconds, releasing their aromatic flavors, pour in the lemon juice and let it reduce slightly, concentrating the tangy essence. Now turn off the heat and swirl in the cold butter, 1 cube at a time. This creates a silky, emulsified sauce that's both rich and light. Finish by stirring in the chopped parsley for a fresh, vibrant touch. 4. Prepare the asparagus. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil. Blanch the asparagus for 2 minutes, then immediately transfer to ice water. This quick shock maintains their vibrant green color and crisp texture. For the final touch, quickly the asparagus in a hot pan with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of sea salt for just 1 minute. 5. To serve, arrange the asparagus neatly on the plate, creating a bed for the salmon. Place the salmon fillet on top, crispy skin facing up to showcase its golden perfection. Spoon the lemon butter sauce generously over the fish, allowing it to pool around the asparagus. Garnish with extra parsley or a sprinkle of lemon zest for added freshness and visual appeal. Chef's tip: don't rush the salmon. Let that skin do the talking. Crisp is king. Gordon Ramsay. Remember, the key to this dish is patience and precision. Take your time with each step, especially when searing the salmon. The result will be a restaurant-quality meal that's sure to impress. Enjoy your perfectly cooked salmon with its crispy skin, complemented by the zesty lemon butter sauce and tender asparagus. Bon